So starting with walking into my place, we have my little section where I have a mirror, and I also have this little, always have this white piece and always have this little bowl where I keep my keys. I've added in for the holidays and maybe forever this candle situation. Isn't it cute? It's giving me Regal, and I like Regal. This was about $14.99. This is like a stand that from Hobby Lobby, and the candle was $10. Regular price for those things are, yeah, actually regular price for this is $14.99, but I got it 50% off, and regular price for the candle is $20, but I got that 50% off. And I also got both of these. So this piece was $4.99, and I'm pretty sure this piece was $4.99 or $5.99, but everything at Hobby Lobby for Christmas and other select items are 50% off. So, and no, they're not sponsoring this video, they didn't pay me no money, I'm just telling y'all the finds. So I didn't really put much else in my kitchen, so let's just get right to my living room. I have an open concept kind of home. So in the corner I have these 2 bags I got from Hobby Lobby. I actually have to take the tags off of them as well. So regular price, these are $19.99 for each bag, but I got them for 10 bucks each. And then this basket. So I've had this basket for a while. I just really liked it, and it matched some baskets I'm using in my bedroom, which is not decorated for Christmas, by the way. It's its own entity, that bedroom. It's got its own vibe, but I am going to put a plant in this basket. And I'm thinking of maybe putting a poinsettia or some kind of big Christmassy type of plant, and just letting it, you know, add something to the room. But definitely I'll show you guys in the next few days what I decide to put up. Who knows? Moving right along, obviously this is my TV, but also another candle moment, which I love. We got the Merry Christmas. This was from Hobby Lobby as well, and I absolutely positively adore it. This is this candle. So this stand I'm pretty sure was $20 because it's taller than the other, but I got it for, you know, 50% off. And then the candle, the same candle as last time. So, and this, I'm not sure how much it was, but I'm pretty sure I paid probably $15. I'm thinking it was $30, somewhere between 20 and 30 bucks, so 50% off of that. Now moving right along, I actually decorated this, and I already have a video for this, which will be linked below. This is my candle wreath for my like living room table that I created, and I'll link it below on how I made it. This is just a very inexpensive wreath for $2.99 that I got at Michael's, and this is the same kind of I guess you want to, I don't know what it's called, guys. I have no clue, but this is also on the tree. This matches a few things that I have on the tree and under the tree, and so yeah, it was pretty simple, and some battery operated lights. Pretty basic. I think it was all under 20 bucks. The candle was probably the most expensive piece of this whole situation. So yeah, I'll put that video below just so you guys can kind of see how I threw it together. It was so quick. It was like maybe 5 minutes to actually do it, 5-10 minutes max. So it was actually super easy, super inexpensive, affordable. Now this, I'm in love with this. It's sitting underneath, and it's just a vibe. I actually have those same ones under the tree, but they're much smaller. I'm sorry, they're bigger, not smaller. What am I saying? And I think I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby and buy more. I don't really have gifts for anybody. At the moment, I haven't really been shopping for real. So maybe I'll get some gifts for people. I don't know. But here is my Christmas tree now. I showed you guys my Christmas tree. But today, I've added in a few new things. So I added in like this gorgeous black angel. There we go. I added that gorgeous black angel in. I've added in a black Santa Claus. I've added in a few more just basic ornaments, and also this black angel. So I added in this black angel, and I changed the star up top, guys. I don't know if I regret that or if I'm loving that. Also in my last video I said that I could not stand the yellow, and I could not, so I wallpapered this to match the walls behind it, because I cannot do that yellow piece anymore. It's driving me insane. So until I get a whole new media console, credenza, whatever, that's gonna have to be that way. But this is the tree, and this is my very simple, basic room. I've put out some candy over here. I've put out like some Choc Zero candy that I purchased, peppermint chocolate and then peanut chocolate. So if anybody visits, which is COVID, so I don't expect many visitors. But this is my very basic Christmas, guys. This is a lot for me because I never do anything, so this is doing quite a bit. I do very little, if anything, for Christmas decorations, so this is a pretty big deal for me. And I think it was much needed because I really need to get into like the holiday spirit. I've probably been a Grinch for years, and the only time I'm truly in the holiday spirit is like when my family is having a big Christmas party. Due to COVID, we are not gonna have that Christmas party from what I know. But once we do, I will share it with you. One of my friends thinks my family is hilarious and that our family party is a hilarious situation. But and it's pretty comedic. It's pretty comedic. But I really don't get into the Christmas spirit much. So I think this will help me, especially, you know, having it being a pandemic, us not being able to go to Christkindle Market, because honestly that would have been the first video if not the second video would have been us going to Christkindle Market. It's one of my favorite places to go in the city. It's downtown. It's a market of candy and snacks and gifts, and it's outdoors, and it's hot chocolate and it's pretzels, and it's just the best. So I would have ran to that immediately to show you guys, but they're not having it. It's not the same this year. I think it's some kind of virtual situation, and it's not great because I can't get my Amish donuts. So, and those donuts are epic. But yeah, this is much needed to like really get me in a better Christmas spirit and a Christmas mood. And Vlogmas is really gonna probably do that for me because I have quite a few things planned that I probably would not do. I'll probably sit on the couch, eat candy, plan for next year, because quite frankly, I'm ready to divorce. I want to break up. I want to divorce from 2020. I want to see other years. I don't want to look back. I am done. I've already ordered my planners. They should be here in a few days, and I'll be filling them up and organizing and getting ready for 2021, because I am pretty much done with 2020. Like, we are done. I want to break up completely. I don't want to talk again. I want to block their phone number from my phone. Like, I am done. So anyway, guys, thanks for coming to my home little tour. One day I'll give you guys probably soon I'll give you like a full-on tour once I get really done with my home. I'm getting a new couch in a few months and some new furniture in the living room, so it'll look different. Eventually I'll get my whole kitchen done because I hate the whole thing. I don't know how many times I can say that. I do not like it there. Other than cooking, I do not like the way it looks. I don't like the setup. I can't. But I do have some other projects I'll probably be doing soon in my house, and I'll share those right along with you. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'd appreciate it. Hit that notification button so you know when new videos are available and pop up. I'm doing Vlogmas, so expect a video every single day. I'm very excited about it. And yeah, share all this with your friends. Tell your friends about me. Tell them come over here, chat with your girl. Feel free to ask me any questions, comments. You can send some concerns in my comments below, and I'd appreciate it. I love to talk and chat and be a chatty patty and, you know, shoot the stuff with you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.